Problem 16. All right, so we have line K is shown in the XY plane in our image above. Line J is not shown. That's super important. Line J is not shown. And it's parallel to line K, okay? What is the slope of line J? So let's make sure we use all our information so we know that J, let's put it up here, J is parallel, this is the symbol for parallel, to line K, okay? So we also know, based off the graph, it's giving us points, right? So we should probably use those points. We have the point 5, using our order pairs x, y, 5, 1, 2, 3, okay? We know this is going to be up 3, even though it's not labeled. Oh, it is labeled up here, cool. 1, 2, 3. Then this point is going to be 0 for x, and then up 1, 2. So 0, 2. 0, up 1, 2. Okay, so we have the point 0, 2, and the point 5, 3. Now, we also know, and you guys might have to know this off the top of your head, our slope equation is m equals rise over run, and our rise can be found by y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. This is our slope equation. Okay, so we can directly plug those things in because we have all of our points. So let's call this one x1, let's call this one y1, let's call 5 x2 and 3 y2. So plugging that directly into the equation using substitution for this particular problem, we'd have y2, which is 3, minus y1, which is 2, all over x2, which is 5, minus x1, which is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1, simplifying this, and 5 minus 0 is 5. So we have our slope, m, equals 1/5. But that is the slope of line K, right? This is labeled as line K. So K has m equal to 1/5. So let's think about it. What is the slope of line J? Okay, and remember, this is a fill in the blank, so we don't know a bunch of answer solutions, so we can't just pick one, so we have to be sure of our answer. But we do know that any line parallel is a line that's never going to cross. So for example, a line like this could be line J. We don't know what line J is, but like this could be line J. And the slope you can see using our girdle triangle, this is our 5, right? So we have 1 up and 5 over. So our rise is going to be 1, which is shown here. And our run is going to be 5, which is shown here. Rise, run, rise, run. Same thing is true for this line. So if this was J, for example, our rise is 1 and our run is 5. And those lines will never cross. They will never intersect because they're on even paths, even trajectories, okay? Which means that the slopes of all parallel lines are equal to one another. So the slope of line J, or m of J, equals m of K. We've already found the slope for K is 1/5. So since that equals the slope for J, our answer is m, or the slope of line J, equals 1/5. And you could just write it like that and just put a box around it. I like to put boxes around it because it's better than circles, but that's just me.